We designed the arc to work in lying down and sitting. So when you're using the arc, we're going to target these muscles back here that go from your shoulder blades all the way up to the base of your neck. So when you have any stress in the neck, in the joints, when you lie down on the arc, it's going to take all that stress off. So we're going to take a look at how to line it up properly, some exercises you can do, and we'll look at the two positions, lying down and in sitting. When lining up the arc, you want the rubber pressure pads to be right underneath the neck and right below the bone. So if you feel the hard part right here, that'll be the bone, the skull, called the occiput. So you want these rubberized pressure pads to be right underneath in the soft area where all these muscles attach. So most people carry a lot of tension in this area here. That's what the rubberized pressure pad is designed to relieve. So if you lie down and the pressure pad is on the hard part, the skull, it's going to be a little uncomfortable. But if it's right underneath, it's going to be a little bit softer right in this area here. So you can see when you push down, there's some give. If you push above it, it doesn't go anywhere. So make sure when you lie down, it goes right underneath. Lay down on the arc for 10 minutes just to relax and get the tension out of your muscles and help restore the curvature. You could also help pinpoint where that tightness could be, because it could be either on the left side or the right side. So what you can do is gently roll left and right, and you might feel one side a little bit more sore than the other side. If you find that right there, hold that position for 10 seconds and then tuck your chin down a little bit. That helps focus the area of tightness over the rubberized pressure insert to help relieve that tension. And then let it go, come back to neutral, and then come back again. Hold it, tuck your chin, hold it for a few seconds, and then relax. So when the neck is sore, when the joints are tight and the muscles are achy, there's a physical therapy technique used called suboccipital release to relieve tension out of the muscles that insert to the base of the skull here, that can cause headaches, cause neck pain, and be fairly painful. These muscles become tight and irritated from forward head posture, from looking down, using your cell phone, iPads. There's a lot of different reasons for it. But the technique is you trace these muscles to the back of the neck, apply tension while putting the neck in a neutral curvature to relax the joints, and via the pressure from the fingers, you relax the muscles. So you usually hold this for a few minutes to relax the neck. The arc is designed to do a very similar thing. When placed in the back of the neck and lying down on it, the rubber pressure pads contact where the neck muscles insert. So when you lie down on the arc, it has a very similar effect to suboccipital release in that it relaxes the neck muscles, and while lying on the arc, it helps restore the neutral joint mechanics of your neck. So simply lying on it for 10 minutes is a good way to start the relaxation of your neck. In sitting, the arc is designed to be used between the chair and the upper back. Unlike most devices that support the lumbar spine, the arc is placed at the thoracic spine or the upper back. The reason for this is because the upper back is the longest part of your spine. So having the arc behind here actually gives you a lot of support, but it also makes your lumbar spine and your neck, called the cervical spine, support itself via the muscles. You see with the arc in the thoracic spine, the chin is right over the chest and the low back muscles are activated, giving your low back natural curvature. So with supporting the upper back, you can have active sitting, meaning your muscles are working to give your low back support and your neck support. But sitting, regardless of the posture, you're going to get stiff after a while. So with the arc, you can do simple exercises to increase your blood flow and just move throughout the day. One of the simpler ones is just raising your arms up in the air. What this does is it helps counteract forward head posture and slumping, which most of us do when we spend too much time sitting in front of the computer or driving, because most of life happens in front of us. So with the arc, you actually get to move instead of just being passive.